I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card on Alpaca is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Alpaca account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the main dashboard to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account or settings option in the menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. In account settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods of Funding. Click on this to manage your payment options. Step 4. Add a new credit card. Click on the Add Credit Card button. Fill in your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your credit card information, make sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message once it is successfully added. If you follow these steps, you should have your credit card added in no time. If you run into any issues, double check the card details for accuracy. Happy trading!